Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, one sister, one friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that if I post more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. So, my people, I'll tell you now how to subscribe. You know, there is one red light waiting there. Now that red light you just press. Now be where they subscribe. Then that bell, you see one that bell waiting there and there. So now that bell, now you go press in case if I put any video, you go to give you notice say Lady J don't put video. You understand me? Then where they like a video. Now see the name am there. You just press on like this. Let me say you like what I talk. You understand? So today's topic, my people, it won't be like the topic when I fair do. You understand me? You see, they similar. So one of my lady called me, say this. You say listen to one story when I talk. Say the thing relates to Iyon too. So you got to see talk Iyon. That's okay. Make it talk. I be ask whether she will play voice records. She say no. She don't want to play it. She don't want anybody know her voice. That's okay, no problem. But this one I real, not be saying a fake. If I bring any news here, not be fake. Now real. You hear my people? So this one, he say she can date this guy for years too. You understand me? So he say they don't date for years. So this guy tell her say he want go Nigeria. Say he want go do a papa burial. You know, she can't help and they buy things. But you can't buy suit. And she buy the suit for her. When he say he needs suit. Then tell her, you when the papa die, what you want you suit? The suit you want wear that day. And say he need that one wear for Nigeria. Not know you say that suit you want to do marriage. Then he just they buy. You can buy the suit. The woman can buy the suit for her. Buy things for her when you go Nigeria. You understand me? You can't go Nigeria, my people. When I listen to this topic, so not be fake. This one are real. Now you can't go Nigeria. As you go Nigeria, you can't go marry, my people. Now somebody can't tell this woman say, my dear. So you just stay here, they wait for your guy. In the Nigeria, they marry. Now you say not lie. The guy still come back. He still carry that a shameless face. He come back, come with the woman. And the woman say, waiting I do you. Why you go waiting I do you? Suppose I offend you for tell me. Why you go treat me like this? You go Nigeria, you go marry another woman after waiting me we two don't pass through together. And say don't be fault now. Ain't got to do what he's supposed to do. And I say, man, he's supposed to marry. He not be woman. Why you not marrying him? Why you not marry her? I say, not be fault. This, that. That's I still get mad till they talk. Say, make the still continue the dates. After all, in Nigeria, that one. Then I should say, lie. She not fit do that kind of thing. My people, if now una go fit do that kind of thing. Una go fit like the date man, the man go Nigeria, go marry, come back. Come sit, carry that a shameless face. They tell you say that one do Nigeria, then you day here. So 12 and a fee just continue, not mean anything. My people. Huh? Now me they talk. I don't feel talking for my videos tire. Relationship not supposed to say again nowadays. This time we will date now. Although you say I don't take when it happen, but relationship not supposed to say. I don't feel to say 3 months. Ask your man, my ladies. This my video when I do now for our ladies, my people, my women, my beautiful ladies in the house. Make una not do relationship say again. Not let those men they use una head again. How you go buy suit for your man, meaning go Nigeria, go marry? You don't even know. If they do it to your sister, this man, you go like him. If they do it to your sister, you go like him. How you go feel? You go there happy or you go there dress for your sister for the pains where she did? Una go dey remember say, una go dey forget say una get sister. Una go dey forget. If they don't una sister now, una go fair open mouth, they shout, they cry, say, see, oh, this, that, oh, and why this man go do this kind of thing? I'm going to deal with him, I will do this. You know, it's not good. Tomorrow, now, if I come to see temptation tomorrow, now they give wish, they give wizard. Whereas now, don't forget what you're using an hand, they cost. It's not good. If they date man for year, date her for year, marry her for year, let Nigeria, they marry their self. If I don't do the marriage things, now come they regret in my life. Now come they regret. It's not good. It's not good, my people. All those things one they do more stop. I mean, not good. If you want marry here, not be say you go Nigeria, go they marry finish, you come later on I'll come back on they beg the women say, na mistake, na this. Did they force you to go to that Nigeria and marry? Did they? It's not good. Marry here if you want marry here. If you get for Nigeria, wait for them, not marry. Wait for them. Go Nigeria, me you go marry them. Mommy say una come frustrate our women for here. Who una they live there for? Who una they live there for? Una they leave them for another man to come marry them. Which man want come marry them? After now don't frustrate their life for how many years? To even enter another relationship with problem to them. That make you see some women to marry, go say no, I beg, because of a past relationship. You know? It's not good. Waiting una will be men they do. What una they do our women? The law of karma, they come for many of una. They come for many of una. It's not good. You will be woman, but more they learn for all those ones. Not the do relationship take again. Because the relationship to take, the man will come they look you like his sister. Especially when he be say you never even born for himself. He go they look you like his sister. It will just they look you say, man just there with him because of pity, not be say love they there. That make you see some men or they flirt, they go for outside because not be you not even love the woman when they marry. Oh, now pity make her even go marry him. My people, I beg. Make una dey learn. Muna learn from all those stories where they bring. Not be fake, na real. This will not be fake story, na real story. You understand me, my people? I beg. Make we dey learn for wetin dey happen to others. When we take the learn. And I want to tell our ladies, not be by give man money, man go tell love you. Even though you give the man heaven and earth, if he not love you, he not love you. If he not send you, he not send you. If you not get one feelings for you, not get for you, my dear. Even though you breathe just for him, you do everything for him. He go they collect money for you, they take care of the one when they love. If it because of that money, now they can follow you. You not go even know. You understand? So, my dear, not by give man money. You give man heaven and earth. If you not love you, not love you. You give him this, if you not love you. You clothe him, you do everything. If you not love you, not love you. You understand me? Not be by money. A man will love you, and he will take care of you. He will take care of you. He will be that beauty where they inside you. Where that the other man be not even know. He go bring out from your body. You understand? He go take care of you. He go cherish you. And another thing where they kill our women, more not they select again. More not they select man. Not be by select, not be by man cute, man do this. That one where be say he knows a big dress. Teach him how to dress, my dear. Take care of if anyhow you want me your man be. Do one to your taste. He go, you know when you go they see him, you only you want go they say God, now me get this man. You know. Do one to your taste. Don't be say you go carry already. Be say it don't clean for air to tell you. They look and this one of my guys, so that maybe people the truth for you say now you carry the best guy. Now you do this, my dear. Not be by that one, Not be by that one. Carry a man where be say if do all those ones where be say you say they know they dress. They local, you for your eye, you look them like local men. Now those ones they nice. Now those ones go respect you. Anything where you want to go, they do one for you. You go they respect you, they go. You know go they shit on you, don't go they look outside. You understand? You go be only your own. Let man they love you pass, not be you woman go they love man pass. Let that man they love you. Don't be you go they love the man. You understand me? If not the notice and say, if you carry the kind of man wey you dey look for, now you love the man, not be the man love you. Let man they love you pass the way you take love him. Neither marriage, neither the relationship go take last. You understand me? So respect your man go still respect you, my people. So thank you, everybody, and God will continue to bless you people for me, and our hookup is still there. So if you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, you can still contact me. I'm still here for you people. And if you be that woman will be say you're not the quit taking, still call me too. So God see the use visited the help some people, so many people. So you can still call me. So your own not go see the different. So when we left of this, and I want to see people comment. I want to see how I want to talk for this matter, my people. So make una comment for the comment section, and make una share this video for me. God will continue to bless the people, and share this video, subscribe and like my video. Thank you, and God will continue to bless you people for me. Bye.
Let them swear. All of them are in this field. You don't need anywhere. You don't need that. You need to start a guy.